Hello again. Today we have a parcel that has come for the post. I just took my label off it because I don't want any of you knowing where I live. Oh, you never know. But yeah, so this is a box of Spares Repairs Christmas lights. Another one of these ones in me, well, some rare ones in there, I think. Yeah, let's unbox. So, that's us unbagged. And we're now to, well, assume what was once a cardboard box. I'm not quite sure. We'll put that to the side. And we'll pull out our first set. We have a random little white light bulb that might come in handy later. And then have a random set of well, they're like the cherries but coloured versions, multicoloured cherries. They look nice, like a nice goldy yellow, no plug. We'll do an individual video on all of these, getting these working, getting them going again. So we'll put that to the side. I'll show that in here. Got a cardboard. We'll get this out of the way. We'll get open this smaller box. Here we have some, makes these YS Industries. Don't know who they are, but can you see that label? I don't know, find out later. And just check, that's probably where that bulb's come from. Plug that back in. What the hell is this? Guns or something? Don't know. Label, that glue all over it. In the box. One cover, but hopefully we're not missing any more. Got a lot of glue over this set. We'll just give it a plug in. Into the dim plug, like a weird like rubbery cable. It's strange. Nope, not working. Hang on. Oh, there we go. Well, we have a already working set of lights. That's good. They're quite nice actually. I'll do another video of them just to tidy up. So put them to the side. And then we have another box. Do we have a way of cutting? 1 second while I get a screwdriver. Mushroom wall art. I don't want a mushroom wall light. We'll get in here. These are what interested me. There's a few sets here. Another white bulb. I wonder if that's come from these. Yeah. We've got the end of a set. We've got a bit of white flecks. Here. I think it's bell wire. That obviously had a plug, but look at that. A little bit of tape around it. Where does this go on to? These go on to this set here. Quite nice, they're like little flowers. I don't know if these are Christmas lights, so they're quite flowery. Yeah, we'll try and untangle these. In a mess. One second. Come on. There we go, on the side. So here we have a set of screw-in little flower lights, which are pretty nice. So we'll wrap this. This tape's probably older than me. Look at it, like it's just crumbling away. We'll just pull them off, get rid of that. So that's another set. We'll do a video on that of probably relamping it. Well, look at that. Look. Never seen that before. 3 fuse bulbs in one set, and then 2 reds, a white, a green, a pink, no, purpley colour. That's it. We'll do a video on these when I'll get me screen bulbs out the loft. But they're in looking good condition, there's no loose wires, so put them aside. And this set's here. We've got the end to 1 here, but that's the candles, clip-on candles I think they're called. So that's another set without a plug. Someone really took the plugs off these, but yeah, I've got a few loose white bulbs that are missing, but we did have some earlier loose in the box. So nice clip-on candles. We'll put them aside. Another video coming out on them. And here we have a nice set. No icicles missing. of icicle lights. Nice bulbs, nice holders. Everything looks intact and in decent condition. I think we've got all the bulbs. So yeah, so you have a couple of sets here. So we've got icicles, clip-on candles, flowery sort of lights, and then multicoloured berries. All of these will need plugs, which they'll all have their own separate video, putting on a plug and fixing them pretty much. And then these sort of stars, pretty much just be a video cleaning them up and pretty much cleaning them up. There's a lot of random white stuff. It's that sticky. Is that blue tack? But not. But yeah. I think these white bulbs are for these clip-on candles. So yeah. Keep an eye out for videos, and yeah, I'll do a video for all of these, so wait for them to come.